Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered why robots still struggle with simple tasks like pouring a drink? It turns out that teaching a robot to move like a human is incredibly difficult because human motion is so complex. Usually, robots learn from specific data recorded on their own hardware, which is slow and expensive to collect. These researchers decided to try something different, teaching robots by letting them watch over 2 million human videos. They introduced a framework called MoT-HRA that extracts human attention priors from everyday footage. To make this work, they first had to curate a massive dataset called HA 2.2M, featuring 2.2 million short clips of humans in action. They used advanced AI to filter out useless segments and reconstruct how hands move in 3D space. The system doesn't just copy the pixels, it tries to understand the intent behind the movement. The MoT-HRA model is split into 3 different experts that work together. The first expert is the vision language expert, which figures out where in the 3D room an interaction should happen. The second is the intention expert, which models how a human hand would naturally move to accomplish a task. Finally, the fine expert takes that human intent and translates it into instructions a specific robot can actually execute. One clever trick they used is called knowledge insulation. This allows the robot to learn its specific physical limits without messing up the general, human logic it learned from the videos. In their experiments, this method made hand motions look far more smooth and anatomically correct. When tested in simulations, the robots were much better at placing spoons on towels or stacking blocks. But the real test was in the physical world, using actual robotic grippers and multi-fingered hands. The robots successfully performed long-term tasks like cleaning and pouring, even when the objects were in new positions. This suggests that the robot wasn't just memorizing a path, but actually understood the goal. They found that separating the where, the how, and the execution is the key to smarter machines. By learning from humans, robots can gain a much broader understanding of the world than they ever could from robot-only data. To recap, the researchers built a way for robots to inherit human-like intentions from millions of videos. This was achieved through a hierarchy of experts and a massive new dataset of human actions. This breakthrough means we might soon see robots that can adapt to our homes just by observing us. In the future, this could lead to general-purpose robots that don't need specialized training for every single new task. They could simply watch a few videos of a job being done and understand the core intention immediately. It brings us one step closer to robots that can truly navigate and assist in the messy, unpredictable human world. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and stay tuned for more breakthroughs in robotics.